Well, you know, Julie is just spectacular, isn't she? She was here before, and we welcome her back. She's a retired captain, as I said. Julie has gained so many great honors over the years. The California Senate named Julie 2007 Woman of the Year for the District Number 1 in recognition of her many contributions to her local community and the aviation community in general, which we here gathered in Atchison tonight have that special opportunity to see firsthand. She's received so many different awards and honors over the year and joins great luminaries A. Scott Crossfield, Steve Fawcett, Bob Hoover, Jackie Cochran, Paul Pober's, as she's been recognized as one of the 25 living legends of aviation by the EAA. Julie's also a member of the Women in Aviation Pioneer Hall of Fame. It's a very special award. I mean, what is this festival in honor of? Amelia Earhart and Julie Clark truly represent